All right, let's get into it. We are showing the new hairline on this beautiful wig from RPGSHOW. And to install it, first thing I do is braid my hair down. This is the 17th birthday or anniversary of RPGSHOW. And so to celebrate, I am installing this new bob wig. It is already highlighted. It's also a Yaki texture hair, and my hairline is incredible. After I get my hair braided down, I'm going to go in and just add some foam to the top and just make sure I can get it nice and flat. When I cut off the lace, I am going to cut it in a zigzag motion. It is so transparent, you cannot see it against your scalp. And so I am so excited to just get this pressed down and just show just how realistic it looks. Again, this is no glue on this wig whatsoever. The hairline is flawless, so if you're new to wigs, this is a great beginner wig. If you're custom to wigs, you're gonna love it. Hey.